Cooking of other sauce can be stressful and time consuming, but if you watch this video to the end, I will teach you how to position for a potential airdrop called sauce. The sauce airdrop uses a simple mining concept which allows users to accumulate more sauce token by just holding the middle button in the sauce application. Now, to download the application, just look at the description of this video. You will see a link to download the application. After clicking on the link, you'll be directed to a landing page which gives two options of either Play Store or Android APK. For the sake of this video, I'll be using Google Play. So click on Google Play. You'll be directed to your Google Play Store. So what you do next now is click on Install. After the installation has been completed, then you click on Open. You click on Open. After clicking on Open, you'll be directed to the application itself. Now, this is what the source application looks like. Now, the next thing you are going to do now is to input your email. As you see in this video, I inputted my email and click on login/sign up. After that, an OTP will be sent to your email. Just input the OTP and you'll be automatically logged in. After logging in, you click next step, click next step again, click next step, and for the last time, click next step. Now, the next thing you're going to do now is to input your nickname. For the sake of this video, I'll be inputting my nickname as Olatubosuntunde, as my name implies. After that, click on next step. After clicking on next step, then you click on complete. Now, for the sake of this video, if you use my referral link, you'll be given an automatic 2,000 source token for a start. So after that, you click on that S button at the middle of the application every time it changes to wine. So every time it changes to wine, you click on it. So if you click on it like that, automatically you are mining the token already. Now, the next thing to do now is to do the social task on the application. Now, the first one is to upload a profile picture, which I'll be doing in this video. So I'll click on profile picture. After clicking on it, then I'll be directed to this page where I'll be able to input my profile picture. Now, I click on the profile picture icon, click on photo gallery. I clicked on allow. Then what I'm trying to do here is to select my profile picture. Now, for the sake of this video, I'll be using an NFT I just downloaded online for my profile picture. As a matter of fact, you can use anything you like. In fact, you can use your real picture as you wish. I click on the check mark at the top right corner of the application. Then my profile picture has been uploaded. Now, the next thing now to do is to follow on X. The next thing is to follow them on X, which is also the same thing as Twitter. I'll skip all this. So my network is kind of slow. So this brought me to Twitter now. What I will just do now is to follow the Project X account. I click on follow. Then I'll go back to my source application. You see, that has been marked. That has been checked already. Now, the next thing now to do is to join their Telegram. Now, to join their Telegram now, I'll click on join Telegram. After clicking on join Telegram, then I will input my Telegram username, which is also the same thing like my nickname, Olatubosuntunde. So after that, I'll click on confirm. After clicking on confirm, then I'll be directed to Telegram, where I'll be able to join their community. Also the same thing as their group or channel, whichever. So after clicking on that, then I'm done. Now, the next thing you can do now is to invite friends. Now, the more friends you invite, the more token you'll be able to get. And don't forget to always long press the middle button whenever it turns wine. Right now, it's green, so I don't need to long press. I'll just close my application. Whenever it turns wine, then I'll long press again. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in my next video.